guys, welcome back to our kitchen. I need to show you how to cook my tender juicy pork chop in the oven. So I need to show you the ingredients of the pork chop that I need to cook. So this is the pork chop. This is the big slice of pork chop. That is the pork chop that I need to marinate first. I need to marinate on this for 8 hours to 12 hours so that the marination is very tasty. They absorb in the meat, in the pork chop. So what we need to do, guys, is we need to put a little bit of salt. The salt, you need to put salt, just a little bit, and the next is black pepper, so just a little bit, and the next is lime, fresh lime. So you need to just squeeze in there, squeeze in there. Be sure the meat is clean, so I was washed this very good. So that is, then put all the ingredients for the marination. This is for the this is the ingredients that I'm doing right now. So that's it for the lime. Next is I put like very tiny, like a ground, a thinly cut of fresh garlic. So what you need to do is you just put that, because you need to mix that anyway. So you just put that there. So put that there. Everything is there. And the next is onions, thinly too. I do that to my marination for my pork chop, and a teaspoon of fresh pineapple juice. So this is fresh. You just put in there. It is good for tenderizer too. It's one of the tenderizer. And 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. So this is, I just pour it there. That's it. So that is for the marination that we are using, and the blend of seasoning. Put a little bit of blend of the seasoning. So what you need to do is you need to mix it. You need to mix this. So what you need to do is just to like that, mix that one by one. Yeah, you need to mix so that they absorb each of the meat in there. So how this is thick pork chop. Look at that, guys. This is the thick one. Yeah. So yep, that is the thick pork chop. So there you go. We need to tenderize this very good, so it will be ready for tomorrow. So this is, I just marinate more for 8 hours to 12 hours. So Also the salt, I think it's just 1 teaspoon. All is 1 teaspoon for the salt. So this big chunk of so that is ready. We need to put this in the ref and we need to wait 8 hours to 12 hours for marination in this, and then that's all right now. Hello guys, we'll start the cooking for the tender juicy pork chop that I was marinate last night, so I need to show you. This is the one that I marinated yesterday, so let's go cooking right now. So what I'm doing is I want this tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So okay, this is the 2 tablespoons. Then you need to the butter is already melting, and we need to put the pork chop. We need to put the cover for 5 minutes. It's of the side of the meat. We need to have 5 minutes. The pork chop is both side is done already, so we need to get this cover and we need to check. Yep, it's already like that. It's brown. So we need to off the heat, and we need to transfer this in the baking pan to put in the so there you go. Put the sauce, butter. The pork chop is already ready. I was putting here in the baking pan. So the temperature of our oven is 375, and you need to bake for 25 minutes for that. Okay, then we need to put a cover. What we are doing is I put like the foil in the cup. So it's 25 minutes. So 25 minutes already. So I get the pork chop. So I check that one. You need to check, and then we need to turn over that. Each of the pork chop we need to turn over. Turn to the other side. And then we need to put this back in the oven without cover. So we need to put this in the oven right now without cover na. No cover. So here you go guys. We need to put this one 15 minutes. Guys, let's check the pork chop. The one that we are baking for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. The temperature is 400 degree. That is the last step to everyone. We need to watch right now. Guys is getting ready. So it's ready already. What we need to do is I will put like this is the barbecue sauce. If you like any kind of sauce that you want to put in the top of your pork chop, you can put something that you like, what kind of sauce that you like. So I need to put a little bit of this sauce because I like my pork chop. They have little bit of sauce. So what I'm doing is I need to put like 5 minutes more. I need to put 5 minutes more in the oven, and then that is done. 5 minutes more to go. Hey guys, this is the tender juicy pork chop in the oven. It's done already. It's ready to serve.